Hello, fellow Beyblader fans of awesomeness. This is Beyblader 428 here, and I got the Drago Lightning Drago Stadium, and it looks awesome. Yeah, alright. Now, yeah, I got this off at Walmart, and it's so cool. Oh, double penalty box. Double penalties. What does it mean? Oh, oh. And it's got this super awesome picture in the middle, man. Looks so awesome. Oh. And then it's got like this awesome thing. And then, yeah. So cool. And there's these lightning thingy majiggies inside too, right here. You might not see it, but whatever. Oh yeah, Beyblade Metal Fusion. Woo! Double penalty boxes. I think they're called penalty boxes. Alright, yeah, so it's black and red, and it looks basically like the Storm Pegasus Stadium, so not much of a difference. But so cool. So cool. I got this for like $10, so you better go to your nearest Walmart and go get this, 'cause it's so awesome. Oh yeah. Alright. Yeah. And this is your review by Beyblader 428. Alright. Pop can. Signing out.